Ashtangas. Ayurveda has 8 parts called as Ashtangas in Sanskrit. Ashta means 8, Anga means part. These 8 parts of Ayurveda deals with different subjects. They are as follows. Kaya Chikitsa, that is internal and external treatments for the body. Bal Chikitsa, that is diseases related to infants. Graha Chikitsa, that is healing of psychological problems. Urdhvanga Chikitsa, that is treatment related to the head region. Salya Chikitsa, surgeries and operations. Visha Chikitsa, that is the signs of detoxification. Rasayan Prakaran, that is methods to rejuvenate the Saptadhatus. Vajikarna, signs of aphrodisiacs. Kaya Chikitsa. Kaya means body. Chikitsa means treatment. In Kaya Chikitsa, treatment is given to the body both externally and internally. Kaya Chikitsa can be done by Panchakarma, which means 5 methods. These methods are Vaman, Virechan, Basti, Nasya and Rakta Moksha. Panchakarma includes 3 phases. Purva Karma, Pradhan Karma, Paschat Karma. Along with these Panchakarma, some other procedures like Shirodhara, Shirobasti, Kati Bhashati and Sarvangadhara can be used to heal the whole body. In Kaya Chikitsa, the detection of disease includes the following basic principle according to Sutra Sthan, that is, Sutra means principle and Sthan means part. Sutra Sthan means part with principles of Ayurveda. Nadi Sodhana, that is testing of Nadi, functionality of organs, Vata, Pitta and Kapha doshas, intensity of the disease and strength of the patient, disease and its symptoms. Then the disease can be cured by selecting a proper medicine. That medicine may come from any of the following and also as combination. Oshadhi, that is herbs, Rasa, that is mercury, etc. Upirasa includes bone, hair, etc. Kara, potassium nitras, etc. Sara, ammonium chloride. Stavara, poisons. Jangama, poison. Pashana, arsenic compounds. Loha, metals. Kaya Chikitsa also includes Kaya Kalpa, which means rejuvenation of body. Bala Chikitsa or pediatrics. It contains Bal Rog Prakaran, which means a description about diseases of infants. This part of Ayurveda includes diseases related to infants like Grahani, motions, Vanti Bedhi, vomiting, Javara, fevers, Graha Chikitsa, psychological imbalances. In this part, there are also many methods of fumigations, that is Dhoop Chikitsa, to cure viral infections. Curing of these viral infections is called as Bhoot Chikitsa. Graha Chikitsa, that is psychiatry or Bhoot Vidya. This part of Ayurveda includes healing of psychological problems. The healing of psychological imbalances can be cured by different methods. They are as follows. Dhoop Chikitsa, that is fumigation. Mantra, by chanting some sacred syllables. Tantra, using specific herbs. Yantra, sacred symbols. The description about the herbs for this treatment was given in Graha Vidya Dravya. Urdhvanga Chikitsa, that is Shalakya Tantra, that is Salakya. This part of Ayurveda includes treatment of head, neck, eye, nose and teeth. The disease related to those upper parts can be detected by following the principles of Sutrasthan. Salya Chikitsa or surgery. Sushruta is the father of surgery. He was the first surgeon who did an eye operation successfully. He used surgical instruments made up of stone and wood. Usage of his instruments is still obscure for modern surgeons. This Salya Chikitsa includes operation of tumors, bone fractures, internal obstructions, removing foreign substances from body. It may also include operations that ease the delivery in critical conditions. Visha Chikitsa, that is science of detoxification. This part of Ayurveda includes detoxification method. It is also called as Agad Tantra. The accumulation of poisons and toxins takes place in the body due to secretion of bacteria, fungi, viruses, junk food, bites of insects and snakes, bad habits like smoking and consumption of alcohol. Rasayan Prakaran, Jara Chikitsa. This part includes different methods to rejuvenate the Saptadhatus, that is 7 constituent elements of the body, and to increase ojas. In this part, Kuti Pravesa is a method which is useful for preventing the symptoms of old age. Better sex, long life can be attained through this part of Ayurveda. Vajikarna, that is science of aphrodisiacs. Vaji means horse, Karna means to follow. Vajikarna means a combination of herbs which gives the sexual capability that is equal to that one of a horse. It develops Sukra Dhatu. This part also cures problems like impotency and infertility to some extent. These medicines also develop and strengthen Saptadhatus.